Welcome to Department of Collegiate and Technical Education, Department of Civil Engineering. Subject is Construction Materials, Unit 2, Session 18. Unit 2 is about types of glass. Glass. The glass has been used as an engineering material since ancient times. The first glass object made by man were of natural glass like rock crystal. With the help of techniques developed in the glass industry, nowadays we can produce glass of any quality which suits the requirements of different industry. The glass is a mixture of number of metallic silicates, usually sodium, potassium, calcium and lead silicates. It is amorphous, means it does not have a definite form. It is transparent and translucent. It may be considered as a solidified supercooled solution of metallic silicates having infinite viscosity. Coming to the manufacture of glass. Following are the 5 stages in the manufacture of glass. First one is collection of raw materials. Second one is preparation of batch. Third is melting in furnace. Fourth is fabrication. Fifth is annealing. Collection of raw materials. Depending upon the type of glass to be manufactured, suitable raw materials are collected. After collecting the raw materials, the preparation of batch takes place. The raw materials along with waste or pieces of broken glass and along with a decolorizer, it is finely powdered, it is weighed in correct proportion and mixed together. This uniform mixture which is obtained is known as a batch. After a batch is prepared, it is melted in a furnace. The batch is melted either in a pot furnace or in a tank furnace. The heating is continued until the evolution of carbon dioxide, oxygen, sulfur dioxide and other gases stops. After melting, the molten glass is given a suitable shape or form. The shape can be given either by hand or by a machine. This is known as fabrication. After fabricating, the glass articles are to be cooled down slowly and gradually. The process of slow and homogeneous cooling of glass articles is known as annealing of glass. So, thus the glass is manufactured by collecting the raw materials, by preparing a batch. The batch is melted in the furnace. After melting, the molten glass is given a suitable shape. After the shape is given, the glass article is cooled down. This process is called, the cooling process is called annealing. Next, coming to the properties of glass. Glass absorbs, refracts or transmits light. It has no definite crystalline structure. It is an excellent electrical insulator at elevated temperatures. It is easily available in beautiful colors. It is extremely brittle. It is usually not affected by air or water. It is transparent or translucent. It is not easily attacked by ordinary chemical reagents. The glass panes can be easily cleaned. It is capable of being worked in many ways. It can be blown, drawn or pressed. Blowing is a process where a blowing tube is used to get the bubbles, glass in the form of bubbles. It is one of the process of manufacture of glass. Drawn, stretching of glass to manufacture different articles. It is known as drawing and it is pressed. But it is difficult to cast in large pieces. Coming to classification of glass. For the purpose of classification, the glass may be grouped into following 5 main categories: soda lime glass, potash lime glass, potash lead glass, common glass, and borosilicate glass. In this unit, you are studying about the properties and uses of soda lime glass, lead glass, and borosilicate glass. Coming to soda lime glass. Soda lime glass is also known as soft glass or soda glass. It is mainly a mixture of sodium silicate and calcium silicate. The properties of soda lime glass. It is available in clean and clear state. It is cheap. Soda lime glass is easily fusible at comparatively low temperatures. It is possible to be blow or to weld articles made from this glass with the help of simple sources of heat. They are resistant to water. The uses of soda lime glass. Soda lime glass is used in the manufacture of glass tube and other laboratory apparatus. Plate glass, window glass, building blocks, bottles, etc. So plate glass means it is manufactured in the form of planes which suits for the windows and doors. So here we can see some of the applications or uses of soda lime glass. It is used in the manufacture of bottles, in laboratory apparatus and blocks. Coming to lead glass. Lead glass is also known as flint glass. It is mainly a mixture of lead oxide, silica and potassium oxide. In this type of glass is similar to soda lime glass, whereas the maximum proportion of lime is replaced by lead. Coming to the properties of lead glass, it fuses very easily. It possesses bright luster, shining, and great refractive power. It is easily attacked by aqueous solutions. It possesses high specific gravity of about 3 to 3.3. Coming to the uses of lead glass, it is used in the manufacture of artificial gems due to its bright luster. It is used in the manufacture of electric bulbs, lenses, prisms. As these glasses are good in absorbing X-rays, lead glass is used for radiation shielding from gamma and X-rays. So these are the examples of lead glass where it is used in the manufacture of decorative glass article, and here it shows where it is used for radiation shielding. Coming to borosilicate glass, it is made mainly of 70 to 80% silica and 7 to 13% boric oxide with small amount of alkalis, sodium and potassium oxides and aluminium oxides. Coming to the properties of borosilicate glass, it has a relatively low alkali content and consequently has good chemical durability and thermal shock resistance. It has high softening point. It does not break when temperature changes quickly. It does not break when temperature changes quickly. So coming to uses of borosilicate glass, it is used for laboratory apparatus, pharmaceutical containers, high intensity lighting applications, and it is used as glass fibers reinforced plastic to make protective helmets. It is used in boats, pipes, piping, ropes, and car exhaust, etc. So here you can see it is used in lighting and in laboratory apparatus. So in this session, we studied about glass, the raw materials used for the manufacture of glass, the process of manufacture of glass, the different classification of glass, and about soda lime glass, lead glass, and borosilicate glass. Next, coming to multiple choice question. First question is, annealing is a process of collection of raw materials, mixing of raw materials, melting of raw materials, cooling down glass articles. Collection of raw materials is a process where it is called collection of raw materials, mixing of raw materials, then melting of raw materials. Mixing of raw materials is known as preparation of batch. Melting of raw materials where the fabrication takes place, and cooling down glass articles. After fabrication, we are cooling the glass article slowly and steadily. The process of slow and homogeneous cooling is known as annealing. Therefore, the answer is D, cooling down glass articles. Coming to second question. Which of the following is not true about glass? It absorbs, refracts, or transmits light. It has definite crystalline structure. It absorbs, refracts, or transmits light. It is extremely brittle. It has definite crystalline structure is not true about glass. Glass do not have a definite crystalline structure. Therefore, the answer is B. It has a definite crystalline structure is not true about glass. Coming to third question. The glass used for radiation shielding from gamma and X-ray is soda lime glass, potash lime glass, lead glass, and borosilicate glass. Lead glass absorbs X-rays. Therefore, a lead glass is used for radiation shielding from gamma and X-rays. Therefore, the answer is C, lead glass. So that is about this session. These are the references, and I would like to thank the team, and thank you.